I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda CRV. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This ensures you remove as much old, dirty oil as possible before refilling. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter with your filter wrench and clean the mounting surface. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer. Now, carefully add around 4.5 quarts of fresh engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the oil, replace the fill cap and lower your vehicle. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.